I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy, moody.
Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Kayla Stacks back with another video. Today, as you can tell, my hair looks a mess. That's because I'm installing my first lace front. I'm very nervous, very. So basically, I'm about to brush or comb out my hair. After I do that, I'm gonna, get the wig cap all set, and then. So let's just get right into the video. Supreme. Okay, so I'm gonna spray this, and I was watching a video and they told me to spray it lightly, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so while I'm over here looking like an elf, this is what the wig looks like. It is really cute. I didn't want no long one. I wanted one that like a maneuver with. It's a side part, so I'm excited. So I'm gonna fit it after my cap dries and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm not sure how I'm gonna style it yet. I think I'm gonna curl it, not too much, like yeah. Okay, y'all. So I finished doing the makeup. So now I applied the wig. So this is what the wig looks like on me. Like I said, I didn't want it too long or nothing like that. So it's about 20 inches. 20, yeah, somewhere in there. I don't know. I'm like excited. Like this makes me so happy. I got my hair deep. So after that, I'm gonna show y'all how I cut the lace or how I'm gonna cut the lace and all that. So I'm gonna have to scoot it up some more for it to be how I want it. Okay. So I got it more towards my hairline. to fit. That be silky. Okay. I feel like if I do the lace right, then I could definitely like, you know, do a little some with it. Okay, I'm a little too hyped, but let me go get this blow dryer and then we will continue the video. So yeah. Okay guys, so I'm back with the utensils. So we're gonna lift this. We're gonna apply the glue and then we're gonna style. So yeah. Okay guys, so I just applied the second layer. So we're about to blow dry that and then y'all see me put the lace on. Goodie. Okay, so I feel like it's dry for the most part. Definitely. So we're about to place it. I'm so Girl, just making me nervous. Holy shoot. Holy shoot. I'm so nervous about this part. I feel like it's gonna look so much better once I style it. So yeah, let's get with it. Let me do this baby hair and I feel like we'll get somewhere. So I'm about to put some alcohol on it to like rub away the stuff.
Damn, juice, you dripping sauce.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna leave it like this for the most part, like with the layered part. I don't know how I feel. Obviously, y'all know this was my first time, so I think for my first time, this was pretty good. Okay, guys, so basically, y'all, I did it. Like, I'm so happy. This is how it turned out. Like, I didn't really do anything to it yet. If I decide to curl it and stuff, y'all see that in a video. But I'm like, wow. So yeah, I just did another video. Like I said, my nail video. That'll be up, like, right after this. So yeah, thank y'all for watching. Like, this was my first time, and y'all know, like, throughout this video, it was so ghetto. Like, it was so ghetto. But you know, it's okay. Like, ghetto is okay sometimes, okay? But yeah, thank y'all for watching this video. Like, anyways, I need y'all to like this video, comment, subscribe, and stay blessed.